So today I'm going to show you 3 different ways to test your battery. The first way is going to be with the multimeter. The second way is with the battery analyzer. And the third way is with the load tester. And several times if you just do it with the multimeter or the battery analyzer, it might still say the battery's good, but the load tester will say it's bad. So we're going to test this battery. It was dead about a week ago. I recharged it. It had like 13 volts when I recharged it. It passed the test last week, but the video was out of focus. So I'm going to do it again this week just to make sure this battery's still good, that there's no parasitic drain killing the battery. So I'm going to start with the multimeter. So you move it to volts. We're going to test the voltage. So we're going to put our red probe there and our black probe here, and it's 12.65. So 12.65 is a good voltage. So our next test is going to be with our battery analyzer. The battery analyzer will also tell us the voltage. So if you have a battery analyzer, you can just use it. So with the battery analyzer, you need to know the cranking amps. This one has 600 cranking amps. It's right on the battery. So we're going to attach to positive to the negative. It says it's 12.72. That's pretty close to what we were reading with the other. We're going to press enter. This is a battery test. So that's what we want to do, battery test. We need to plug in our 600. So it says in vehicle, out of vehicle. It's in vehicle. It's a regular battery, as far as I know. I can't tell that it's anything else. And we're going to put in the CCA, cold cranking amps, of 600. It's already in there. Otherwise, you go up and down till you got to the correct cranking amps. It's doing the test. It says the battery's good. It's rated at 600 cranking amps and it's 573, so that's really good. Hopefully you're seeing that. Okay. So that's our second test. It's passed 2. The third test is going to be with our load tester. So our load tester, part of it fell apart. We're going to put red to our positive. That's good. We're going to do black to our negative. Okay. So right off, it's what we're looking for is this 12 volts. It's a bottom curve. As long as it's in the green, we're good. Weak is in the yellow. We're going to hold this down for 5 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. So it stayed in the green. So that means this battery passed the load test. So the battery's still good. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. If you're interested in any of these battery testers, you can find links to them in the video description. Thank you.